Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. And in our previous episode, we have designed this gallery section and this testimonial section. Okay, in this episode, let's design this team member section or courses section. Okay, and here we can copy this section. Okay, copy this services section and paste it here. Okay, and go to section setting, style, remove this background, same for the background overlay, we do not need it. Okay, that's it. And since this color, okay, our most experienced trainer or coaches, or team members. Okay, and here more trainers. Okay, link this to trainer space. Okay, and this we do not need this icon boxes. Sorry. What we need is flip box. Okay, setting, let push, slide. Okay, back, background, image here. We need to insert an image of the trainer. Preferably a portrait image. This is a square image. Let's try this. We have like this. It's the same image here in the front side too. Sorry. Let's try this. Okay. Content, none. Background position, cover. Okay. Okay, in the back side, background position here, cover. Content. Okay, this is the name of the trainer. Okay, for example, okay, designation, gym trainer, something like this, and remove the button. Okay, here what we can do, we can increase the size, say 450. Okay, or let's do something like this instead. Remove this background. Oh, sorry, here background, remove the image, and background color transparent. Oh, it is not working. And yeah, style. Oh yeah, this is what I want. Transparent background color for the back side, and no content for the front side. Okay, yeah, and back. Here, position bottom, front. Here we go, content at the bottom. Okay, that's it. Tags, description. Okay, that's it. And here, okay, we can copy this and paste it here, paste it here. Users have to change the image for each strap trainer, the gym trainer or gym course, and change the name and the designation in the back setting. Okay, like this. Okay, here content lessons view image, for example this one, or this one. Position center right. No. Okay, yeah. Okay, and if you use a portrait image, then you do not need much positioning setting. I am using a landscape image here, and so I am positioning the center positioning to see the image properly. Okay, that's it. Since we copied the layout, section layout from the above section, I think we don't need much changes for the responsiveness, but anyway, let's check it out how it looks on the mobile screen. Here we go. It's okay. Yeah, it works fine. Yeah, okay, that's it. And same for tablet. Okay, let's see if we can reduce the height on tablet. Yeah, if you find that this size is too narrow or the height is too high in a tablet, you can reduce the height in the setting. Here we can adjust the height for tablet, desktop and mobile. For example, 450 is too high, then you can reduce to about 400, like this. Copy this, paste style. Oh, paste style. Okay, something like this. For the image, okay, like this. Okay, and I hope you learned something new from this video, from this episode, especially for those beginners, WordPress and Elementor beginners. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feedbacks, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or contact me on WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. And yeah, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.